Don't shut the door all the way, cause it's gonna make a noise. I be in my own lane, I ain't nothing like these. They too busy, worry about flexing. They too busy, worry about bitches. I been dragging by myself, I don't need 100 niggas. Cause the niggas that be switching, they be right up in your pictures. I been knew that shit before, and I really know now, but I'm on that man.
We're gonna be safe.
Oh, it's trees. How they gonna detect trees?
I don't know.
Welcome back.
Just blur. Do the blur screen.
I got you. Oh, y'all do that. So just have it on me. I'll blur
I got you.
behind.
Yeah.
All
Blur,
right.
that's cool.
We heading to the dealership, but we're in a Ferrari right now.
We headed to Apple.
We in a Ferrari. Get the dash. Get the 200 on the dash. More like 120. Yeah.
120.
Uncle Michael's car.
We're gonna pick up my car from the dealership.
Why?
Because Uncle Michael's car is always in the shop because it's not that good of a car. You know, Mommy's car is never in the shop.
Yeah, Mommy's check engine light turns on and off by itself.
It runs off faith.
Mommy, you really buy this car?
Yes, we bought this car. Cash.
You buy the car.
You got payments, Mike?
No,
You got payments?
Shut up, I can buy this cash too. Look at it. You got the paddle shift? Nah, this how you ship yours right here, the plus and the minus. All right, whoa, hang on, guys. Woo! Yeah, mommy minivan corner like a champ.
Nah, you didn't slow down in time.
Mommy's car, a minivan.
What you think this is? Huh? It's a minivan, Keem.
What kind of car is this, Junior?
It's a race car minivan.
You heard it here first.
It's a race car minivan.
You heard it here first. Keep going straight.
Well, I ain't got no other choice.
Yeah, you heard it here
Get these
first.
lovely roads up here. Get these lovely roads, Lay. What's that? What's that, Lay?
I think it's a scratch.
It's a scratch, Lay.
I think it's outside the car.
The scratch about to be the whole front thing, the whole screen.
What's that next to us? A Dodge?
That's a Jeep Compass, Lay.
Oh, Jeep Compass.
This got
I
more
used to
power
have
than
a
that.
Jeep.
Shut up. Oh. Yo.
Make a left up here at this light.
I did not expect the tires to. You gotta get new
Why
tires.
did you just do
You gotta
that?
get new tires, Lay. It spins too easy.
It never does that when I'm driving.
Because you're not aggressive.
Stop.
I'm about to stop, Lay.
My brakes don't work now too?
Nah, I'm just saying that.
Now she thinks we want to race.
Yeah, because I thought she did at first. So I had to hit her with the let the little tires chirp a little bit.
Oh my god.
What you want?
We were at a red light.
Oh.
Now it's green.
Ease into it.
Yes.
You got some juice in this, man. That's why I got some juice in it, Lay.
So you said I need tires.
Yeah, you do need tires. Come on.
Go,
Let's
go, 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 go,
I
go,
am
go.
going. They're not. Oh, hang on, guys. Whoa.
What's up there? Apple. Oh my god, they want to race for real.
She don't want none of that. Look at her. Look at her.
What did she do?
She looked on her phone like this. Really? She don't want to smoke. Get the new Chevys.
Okay.
Oh, what the? Yo, you got that on film?
I don't know if I did because I was looking at her.
Nah, be honest. She was dumb for that.
Yeah.
Tell me if you see it. You guys see it? It's right there, like. You don't see it? Like, it's right there.
Oh.
Hold on. Oh, you don't got no backup in here either?
Oh, remember we were supposed to put the Apple CarPlay
Yeah, we was.
on it. Didn't do it.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that.
Why are you backing in right here?
Cause
With all the other BMWs.
Cause, lady, this blends in. You ever seen a bitty BMW minivan?
Nah.
It's the first one. It's a one of one.
They're right, like,
Let me
what
go
the
in there and pay
fuck
my
does she
money.
want?
All right, let me get the keys. I'll be right back. Let me get the phone.
Show you something about BMW, right? I haven't done a BMW dealership video in a long time, but main reason I go to the dealer for the oil change, to be honest, is because it's actually pretty affordable relatively speaking, $145 out the door. Someplace might be a little less, but that's just their going rate, $43.50. Filter, typical price, 23 bucks. Oil, which was $63. They had to buy like 7 liters or 7 quarts, whatever this means, of LL-17 FE+. BMW Freeport in New York charged $125. BMW Owens Mills is $125 as well. I think plus tax, so this is about $133 plus tax, all relatively around the same price. I don't think they make their money on oil changes. So they quoted me $425 to do a vehicle check. Can someone please explain to me what a vehicle check is? I'm just assuming they walk over the vehicle and they check it out. A multi-point inspection is a vehicle check, and a vehicle check is a vehicle check. $425, that's down the drain. If you really don't know what you're doing, you just tell them, okay, do everything. I need 4 new tires for the M340. Put the car on the track, drove it pretty hard. I managed to do like baby drifts and donuts about like my everyday life, and the occasional burnout. In my opinion, I don't think the drifting and like maybe the donuts really kill the tires as much as burnouts, especially with these cars, because it just eggs you on to go second gear, third gear. Next thing you know, you're doing a rolling burnout, clouds of smoke everywhere. Whereas like when you're spinning the corners, I don't think it's much tread being burned. A track, it heats up the tire and wear out fast, turn the tires into like glue, which I will admit these PS4S tires have changed my mind about buying expensive tires. Now, I will still say my favorite tire all around is the Firestone Indy Hawk 500. And simply put, it's a great ass affordable tire. It's a tire that you don't mind burning out because they don't cost that much money. PS4Ss, I lose a piece of my soul every time I do like a burnout. That being said, they were quoting me $1,554. I'm assuming for the whole service. So you have to consider about $1,200 if I were to order it myself on Tire Rack, and another $100 to go ahead and install them all around. One of the beauties about Tire Rack and why I always get every single tire from Tire Rack is because of their warranty process. It is insanely easy and it actually works. Those of you who know, I've probably ordered about 20 to 30 freaking tires alone, like maybe 5 to 6, 7 sets throughout my ownership of BMWs from Tire Rack. I started with my BMW 5 Series, probably lost about 5 or 6 tires on the way, and they got completely replaced by Tire Rack. Super easy, just order the next one, boom, boom, boom. They send you the check, and you put the money back in your bank account or pay a credit card or PayPal, however you put the money out in the first place. You have to pay for the install over again, obviously, but shit happens every day, and it's like a free insurance, to be honest with you. So right here, you can never tell BMW tires are low, especially to the camber. The insides wear out more than the outsides. And I will say, I feel a lot lower than I thought. Wow, yeah, so rears, it is a fair bit low too, honestly. It looks like I need an alignment, to be honest with you. Yeah, I definitely need an alignment. If you look at the inside of this tire, you can tell this tire literally got destroyed. And that brings me to the next thing on the list. This crumbled up piece of paper that I can't seem to keep straight. Is an alignment. BMW said they were going to charge me $199.99. I always go to RCT Performance because they do a pretty damn good job for aligning cars with certain type of suspension components. I have the Dyna suspension kit on this car, which calls for different specs. Definitely got to get that. $199, won't be paying that. Probably be paying about $130 to $140 at RCT with the Dyna specs included. Last but not least on the list are the brakes. Now, BMW is claiming that every single one of these brake pads are worn out, and I'll give them the rears, but the fronts not so much. I still have a bit of meat on the fronts. I will check the rotors when I go ahead. I will do a quick look around and kind of show you guys too exactly what I'm looking at. However, they quoted me $606 for the front and $606 for the rear and $812 for the front. That's replace pads and resurface the rotors. Now, I will not be going to BMW for that, obviously, because brakes are like kind of one of the easiest things to do on cars in general, especially the front calipers, which actually are super easy. I have a video of me doing it on the same type of brake setup for these cars. You actually don't even need to remove the caliper. You just remove 2 pins and they slide out. Do a complete one-over service on this car. So yeah, if I decide to get rid of it and sell it and upgrade, it's ready to go. I lost paperwork, but it's somewhere around the $3,300 to $3,800 repair bill that BMW wants to charge me for just basically doing 4 tires all around, brakes all around, and an alignment. That's pretty expensive, and I'm pretty sure I could beat them, so stay tuned, because in the next couple of videos, obviously I'm going to do the work, because they are online, I need it. Alright guys, my name's So Speed, I'm going to get up out of here, because I got to film another video too. Got to link up with David. Peace out! This iPhone footage no joke, I ain't gonna lie.